How to fix the file system error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the system file error. So let us jump right into it. First, you'll need to open up your run. Now you can head over to your search bar and then search for run, or you can simply press the Windows plus R key. After you search for it, this run will open up. Now here you will need to type in services.msc. After you type that in, hit enter. And after you hit enter, this should open up. Now from here, scroll down. And after you scroll down, everything is in alphabetical order. So head over to the Windows section. And under Windows, you'll find Windows License Manager. Now under Windows License Manager Services, simply right click on it and then head over to the properties. After you head over to the properties, simply go to startup type and make sure that the manual is turned on, that is, it's selected. After you've done that, simply tap on apply and tap on OK. Now you can restart your computer and then your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.